We are, beautiful beach, and first run, so let's have a look how it goes, eh? Wish me luck! Oh, welcome back, guys. Just got back in the studio. So, the Kyosho surfer, we had an awesome day, no hiccups. They'll be landing here at Crazyhobbies around 2019 of November, and they'll be retailing for around $350, $400. A great little present for any age group. Until next time, arigato gozaimashita. Welcome back, guys. So, I was just reading the Kyosho instructions, as I do. So, if you go to page 23, operating tips number 8. Let me just put my specs on. Getting old in my old age. Now, tip number 8, quote, if the board stopped far away, use any tool, like fishing tackle, to retrieve the board. So basically, they're telling you, if the board gets stuck out in the surf, make sure you have your fishing rod with you and try to wheel it in. Bugger that. Luckily we didn't have that problem. Unfortunately, these blokes did. Enjoy.
Damn! Got him! That's a million views.
Come on, man. Come on.
I hope this camera lasts.
All right, let's go to the sushi bar. Here's shout.